Hi Neil, thanks for agreeing to be interviewed today. So as a curriculum leader at your school, tell me a little bit about how you're going to develop the use of 3D printing and additive manufacturing at your school.
The current provision at Key Stage 4 in Engineering Systems and Control includes 3D printing, designing in CAD and using the 3D printer. The children in the lower school have seen this 3D printer in the classroom and are excited about accessing that in their curriculum time. So my 5-year plan is intending to introduce this 3D printing and CAD in 3D across the curriculum.
So I'm just thinking about the next steps, about developing it. How are you going to develop this at Key Stage 3? What are you going to do next?
Well, this programme is going to allow me to be able to train and to involve other members of the department in this new 3D printing solution that we're going to have in place. So based on the fact that we've got another additional 3D printer going to be coming to school and access to the support and the resources that we've got today, and I've seen the opportunities that that's going to present themselves with, I'm looking forward to these other member of staff coming back to our school and being able to deliver on this 5-year plan that we've got for Key Stage 3, which is going to allow children in year 7, 8 and 9 to be able to not only design items, products in 2D and in 3D, but they're also going to be able to get that product off this new 3D printer in the hand, and that's going to really inspire them to be able to take one of our subjects in Key Stage 4.
So how do you think they're going to respond to this new carousel? How do you think they're going to respond to Key Stage 3?
Yeah, the children are going to be really excited about this. They're going to see this new 3D printer back in school. It's going to be in the area where they're doing this CAD work, and they're going to really want to get their design on that 3D printer and to be able to sort of between themselves have that little spirit of competition to be able to develop and learn from each other as they then can take home something that they've designed themselves.
So any learners in particular?
I think it's going to give opportunities for some of the more disadvantaged pupils to have access to these new emerging technologies. Maybe something that they wouldn't be able to afford to buy themselves, or to even point them in the direction of what the future skills needs are for Lancashire. So it's going to give them the opportunity to be able to use and take home something that they've designed and made using these 3D printers. I think this will really benefit some children who might have additional learning needs, such as autism. They come along to my lunchtime club, my after-school clubs, and once they really lock onto a challenge or an idea, their mind starts fizzing away and they really come up with some amazing ideas.
What is the takeaway for you today? What would you say to another school who's not taking part in the programme?
Well, I would encourage as many schools as possible to be involved in the programme. This is a really good opportunity for children to develop these future skills in 3D design and 3D printing. I've been so impressed today by the quality of the resources and of course the equipment that we're going to take back into schools. I'm looking forward to being able to unbox this back at school and unlock this new curriculum